Ooh, this is so many routes. Hello there, guys. Another day with the Husaberg, and I'm just exploring some unknown ground in this forest, and it's kind of interesting. All of this is kind of interesting and new to me, and that's why it's actually kind of fun as well, because you never know what you're going to find in these areas. Look at that. This is amazing. Wow, this is kind of fun. I guess I'm gonna have to do this one more time. I'm gonna turn around and do that again. Ooh, this is so many routes. But yeah, the main point I wanted to talk about is what I actually changed on the Husaberg. So how big was my investment actually for the maintenance and repairs so far? There were those little pins for the plastic covers on the sides that I had to replace. There's also new front sprocket, because the old one was kinda shit, I'm not gonna lie. So what's next? Yeah, the coolant in the radiators is new or fresh, depends how you wanna say it. But yeah, there is a new speedometer line, because the old one was snapped in half and I didn't have the bottom part. So yeah, I had to get a new line for that. What else? What else did I change? Yeah, I changed some hoses that goes to the radiator, because they were kind of fucked, and I'm gonna have to do the wheel bearings, as we actually discussed before, because the bearings they are kinda fucked. I'm not gonna piss those people off with the sound of the engine. So yeah, fuck that shit. What else did I actually do on the bike? I can't even remember, dude. Yeah, kind of afraid I'm gonna have to get a new front brake disc, because this one looks kinda bad. Other than that, I'm gonna have to change these covers because they are pretty banged up. Yeah, I changed the filling in the muffler as well, and rear sprocket ain't really that great, but yeah, I added springs for the stand as well, because the old ones actually weren't there. So that's that. There are some fucking branches already in this shit. Fuck this. And from the front, yeah, the light ain't really Husaberg at this point. It's Husqvarna, I guess. And there's this bracket underneath, and it's missing at this point because I don't have it, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna need it. Anyways, so the place that I actually found is this, and I guess it's a lake that goes all the way somewhere that way. So yeah, I'm not sure about how bad it's going to be the climb up with this. This is basically, there's a small leak, but other than that, looks pretty good. No leaks anywhere. So yeah, that's that. Man, there are so many spider webs in the air. My face is actually full of them. Let's turn around somewhere and probably end this episode, because I have no idea how long it's going to be. So yeah, look at that, your fast little boy just exploring the woods on this killing machine. Yeah, alright, take care, ride safe, and peace out.